Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. And my dear friends, this is the hourly chart of gold in front of us, and we can see that gold is trading around 3250 area. This is the current market price. Yesterday, when we were discussing about gold, it was trading around here 3265 3270 area. We discussed the selling opportunity below 3260 and hope you guys made some good money because this candle gave us some really good profit. Okay, now we can see the market is consolidating here. Okay, and overall the selling bias still remains, but there are lots of things that we need to understand as of now. So let's try to understand them one by one. So let's look at the market sentiment for gold falls for second day. Gold dropped below 3230 per ounce on Tuesday, marking a second straight day of losses, hovering near its lowest level in a month. The decline was driven by improved risk sentiment and reduced demand for safe haven assets following a breakthrough in trade negotiations between the US and China, with both countries agreeing to lower tariffs on each other's products. As we all know, guys, market was super bullish because of tea trade, war trade, and as the tension is easing, we can see gold is going down. So yes, the selling bias on the market still remains, but technically for the downside to continue, we need gold below 3150. Now we can see that gold is trading around 3254 area, but we need gold below 3150. Then only we can consider that gold is going down, because see, we are on the daily chart. Okay, this is a daily chart of gold, and what do we see here? Okay, we can see the market is still super bullish, isn't it? For a trend reversal, what do we want? We want a lower low here. When market will break the previous low, then only we can consider that gold is going down. I won't say that okay, this is an extreme lower high, but still more or less we can consider this to be as a lower high. Okay, we have the lower high, but okay, what do we want next? We want a lower low. So when we will get the lower low, then only we can consider that the next trend of gold will be like this. Unless we get a lower low, or unless gold breaks 3200, we cannot consider that this market is bearish, okay, for the next few days. So the gold's next move is going to be very important. It needs to go below 3200. If it fails to go below 3200, we can expect the market to remain like this, choppy or sideways, for the next few days. So time will speak. So obviously after the consolidation, if gold drops, if gold falls below, slips below 3200, we can look for a sell below this area. But right now gold is trading around 325657, so chances of market falling below 3200 is less, but still market is full of surprises. Gold is full of surprises. During the US session, if we see that there is a sudden selling pressure, gold is going down, we can look for a sell below this area. Okay, and as we can see right now that gold is trying to recover. Okay, so in this recovery scenario, okay, you can see that I have drawn few lines here. Okay, so where are the selling opportunities? The first selling opportunity on the chart of gold is around 3294.3300. This is the first area on the chart of gold where we can look for a sell position. Okay, you can easily see 3300. It's a round number psychological resistance. Okay, and also the FIBO 38.2% retracement level. So during the day, if market goes up, as we can see right now, market is already going up. Okay, this is a good area where we can look for a sell position. Not only we have FIBO 38.2% retracement level, plus you can see the previous support will also be acting as resistance, and we also have the 200 moving average coming down. So we have a good confluence here. So if market shows price rejection from above, we can hit the sell button, but keep in mind no level is permanent. For example, if you see the market is going up with a big green candle, market is standing at 3300, use your common sense. Okay, but 3294, 3300 technically is a good level where we can look for a sell position. Okay, and for immediate levels, okay, we can see that we also have a selling opportunity around 3260 area as well. Okay, 3260 is not a very strong, super strong level like 32943300, but yes, okay, um, we can expect some selling opportunity, but in the situation, okay, I think that it's better to wait for some time, and I'm quite sure that when you'll be watching the video, okay, this level, okay, will not be valid for you. Okay, anyway, you can wait for 3294, we can wait for 3300 area, and you can see we also have a minor resistance around 3277 area as well. 3277 area. Why 3277 we are considering? Okay, for that we need to move the FIBO. You can see that when we have changed the starting point of the FIBO, okay, we have FIBO 50% retracement level. But most importantly, we have the 50 moving average. Later on, okay, for example, during the European session, US session, if you see that this 50 moving average is okay around 3265 3270, there also you can look for a sell position, okay, because it's a dynamic resistance. So if you're wondering, Abhilash, what is the direction of the market? Abhilash, market ka direction kya hai? Then, okay, we need to wait a little, because you can see the direction of the market was obviously, undoubtedly bearish. Okay, market was bearish, market was coming for retracement. But we can see that on the daily chart, okay, and here also market is trying to recover during the European session or the US session. Okay, if market goes up, then obviously market will no longer be bearish. For the bearishness to continue, for the selling pressure to continue, we need gold below 3200. Unless market breaks 3200, we cannot expect the selling pressure, the bearishness to continue. Okay, so 3200 is a key level, crucial level for the market, especially for the sellers. Okay, if it fails, we can expect, I'm not saying that gold will be heading towards 3500, but yes, market will be sideways, market will remain choppy. So let's wait and watch, time will speak. And later on, for example, during the US session, if you see that after the little bit of upside, market is coming down, okay, you can expect this particular area 3240 to become the new support as well. Remember, how does price work? Resistance becomes support, support becomes resistance. Okay, so this will be the new support as well during the day. Anyways, you can join the Telegram community also for free updates analysis, because I'll be uploading, or I'll be messaging there. And my reference, if you're looking for a reliable forex broker with the lowest spread, then you can consider Star Trader. Star Trader have 6 licenses. They have license from FCA, they have license from ASIC, also member of the Financial Commission, provide insurance up to $1 million. So safety wise, top notch, and also the best option for day traders, because the spread on gold is only 17. So if you are looking for a reliable option, consider joining Star Trader. The link will be in the description. Okay, and you can see that they have also received Magnificent Prime Technology Broker Award last year. And for Indians, they are giving swap free accounts. But if you're from UAE, okay, or you stay in Dubai, okay, then you will get a swap free account for 14 days. Okay. So initially, the spread will be around 27, but after the account verification and the deposit, any amount, okay, just WhatsApp me on this number here. Okay, I will request to reduce the spread, and the spread will come down to only 17. Okay, and if you're looking for another option, then you can consider VT market as well. The specialty of VT market is that they may not have licenses like Star Trader, okay, but it is also a tier 1 license broker. They have license for ASIC, member of the Financial Commission, but they also provide cashback. If you open sign up for 17 spread account, you will get a cashback of $2 per lot. And if you sign up for the 27, okay, if you sign up for 27 spread on gold, you will get a cashback of $7 per lot. Okay, I have explained everything here. Okay, feel free to check out.